great style, you're also conditioning your hair and making your hair appear more youthful all at the same time.
Now look what we're going to do with Andrea. You wake up in the morning. I hate doing this to Andrea. I love her so. Mwah. And your hair is just flat to your head and you don't know what to do with it. But watch what happens now.
Everyone at home, because it's like, what, 6:15 where you are? Okay. You're all looking in the mirror going, yeah, that's me.
A little makeover. Now watch what happens to Andrea's hair when we apply just a little of the makeover. And you see what I'm doing, ladies? I'm scrunching it, I'm tasseling it, and look what happens to Andrea's hair.
Amazing.
That is truly amazing. Isn't that fabulous?
Who can use this? Is this for all hair types?
This is for everyone.
Okay.
Everyone, whether you have thick hair, whether you have fine hair,
color-treated hair. It doesn't matter. And look at the difference.
Now watch what I'm going to do, because this is really important. That's why what makes this product so fantastic. A little more makeover, but now watch what happens to Andrea's hair. We're going to change the whole look on her in a matter of seconds and give her a real sophisticated Madison Avenue look.
She's sharp. Hey, let's give it up. My gosh,
look
is that gorgeous. And you know what? If you're late for work, don't sweat it, because all you need to do is put in that altering complex, then use the makeover holding spray. You've got your whole new look going. You're walking out the door. You're fabulous. You're sexy.
Isn't that great?
And don't forget, you are making your hair